Hello and welcome to the K, the world's most important and largest trade fair for the plastics and rubber industry. It's a great day here at the show, our first day. There's over 3,000 exhibitors here from 59 countries represented. It's absolutely beautiful at the stand of Lanxess, a German company that has a global presence. It's very full. I hope we can have a second to talk to Jan. Jan, tell us a little bit about what you're demonstrating here today.
Yes, right. We at Lanxess here, we have two main focus topics here on the K-Show this year. One is, of course, new mobility, meaning e-mobility, and the other one is sustainability, which is an overarching topic in everything we do these days.
And with mobility, what do you bring to the table? It's a complicated subject. There's a lot of different suppliers. What do you do exactly?
Right, exactly. We are producing polymers, and we have very many highlight exhibits here that really show that polymers, engineering plastics as we call it, are a great alternative to lightweight construction with regards to steel or aluminum. We make lighter products with a very special CO2 footprint, and we can see here one of these great examples where we have a battery enclosure for a car that is already on the road, and we have proven that it is a very good example to show that we have a good material which is lighter, as safe, as flame retardant as steel or aluminum are.
Wow, so obviously the fire issue with e-mobility, it's a thing.
It is a thing.
So this is an existing product you're bringing to the market currently.
Yes, and it has already got all the test certificates we need to prove that it is flame retardant and that it's safe and light is it on top.
Now, e-mobility, it's an actual expression of sustainability. Sustainability, a big theme at the show, especially at the stand here. How are you demonstrating that theme?
Yeah, basically we have a lot of products here that we show, where we have already some products here with, we call it eco products, where are renewable glass fibers in it, etc., PP, or in those parts like here, structural parts, we have, for example, carbon fibers in it who are very nice and very easy to recycle. On the one hand side. On the other hand side, we have an exhibit over there where we could go now.
Yeah, let's go. Let's go have a look.
And in this exhibit, we show everything we do on sustainability here in our company. Mm-hmm. And with regards to the plastics we are producing, you can see here basically our production location throughout Europe. Mm-hmm. You see where we are doing what, and you see our main product lines here. And you can play around here in an interactive tool, and we show you all our projects we have with regards to sustainability at the engineering plastics section within Lanxess.
So a visitor to the booth here, there's going to be plenty, there already are. They can come and kind of play around and discover for themselves absolutely how you actually accomplish sustainability within your supply chains, etc.
On products, on processes, and we can really interactively discuss here on what we are doing, what we are going to do in the future, and what the outcomes are with regards to a product carbon footprint, which is exactly the thing we want to show to our customers because it's most important to these guys.
Great. Jan, thank you so much for finding the time. I know you're very busy today. Thank you, and I wish you much success at the K this year.
Thank you, Ben. Thank you very much.
Great. We do have time to talk to one more company, another heavy hitter in the industry, Covestro. I hope we can find somebody at the stand to talk to. They're also quite busy right off the bat here today on the first day of the K. Everybody's very excited to be here back face to face within the industry after lockdowns and everything else going on with Corona. Who can we talk to? We're looking for... Do you have a second to talk to? Okay, he's busy at the moment. Could we talk to... Right. Oh, thank you very much. We're live. I'm sorry. We have to keep going here. What is?
And we're already busy now. That's a good.
Exactly. I mentioned that on the way here. The stand is already quite full. It must be good to be back in person after just a bunch of Zoom calls and everything else. What are you actually demonstrating at the stand here today? Specific products, processes, etc.
All of that, I would say. And the motto, first of all, is crafting connections with you. That means for realizing a circular economy, which is our vision going forward. It's our solution to the climate neutrality challenge. It's our solution to resource protection, to using waste at the end of the lifetime as a raw material. Again, the solution to all this, to realize this, is circular economy. And for a circular economy, we would need partners along the whole value chain. That is why this crafting connections is our motto here. And here on the booth, we will show a lot of examples of products, applications, but they are all linked to sustainability. That's very important. Yeah? They all drive new solutions in other industries, sustainable solutions. They reduce the CO2 footprint of our own materials, and they are very mindful of resource protection. That's what we try to demonstrate here.
Kind of a question that might be difficult to answer. Can industry do it on its own, or are mandates and regulations necessary from government to accomplish a true circular economy within the plastics and rubber industry?
First of all, as we said, we need partners along the whole value chain, so within the industry. But of course, yes, meaning with crafting connections with you, we are also the partners in politics, in finance, in society, everywhere. We as a society have a challenge, not only the industry. We are here for partnerships with all of our stakeholders.
Very good point. Thank you so much for finding the time. I know you're very busy. Thank you very much.
We had a good start here at the trade fair. We're all looking forward. It's a fantastic vibrations, a good motivation in the team, and we are really looking forward to the next days. Thanks a lot for coming over.
Great. Thanks a lot. So as you can see, there's obviously a lot going on here. We're very excited to be bringing you live reporting from the show. Basically every hour from the show, stay tuned to this channel. We're going to be speaking to many exhibitors, a couple of VIPs within the industry. Stay with us. There's a lot more to come. Thanks a lot.